Alright tribe, this is the Njama Njama. That's the garden huckleberry that I nursed on March the 12th. The 12th of March. Today is the 11th of April, so it's been 4 weeks since I nursed. It took about 8 days to germinate. That's about a week. So what we're looking at here is about 3 weeks or so post germination. I know you cannot really tell, but I have 3 different varieties of the garden huckleberry in these 3 bags. I did a video sharing what the differences are and which one, like the advantages, the pros and cons, so that you can know which one you want to plant. But I have 3 different varieties here. This is that Bamoon variety right here, and then here we have the Bamenda variety in here. And then in here we have we have that Boya variety. So these are the 3 different varieties, but what I wanted to share with you today is how to tell if your Njama Njama is ready for transplanting, because I just started the seeds in here. Obviously it's too packed, they need to be transplanted into a different planting container, maybe another grow bags, or I can transplant them in ground. But how to tell if your Njama Njama is ready for transplanting, I will share with you 3 different ways to tell. So the first way to tell is to use a ruler. You want the Njama Njama, the height of the Njama Njama, to be at least 6 to 8 centimeters tall. So what we're looking at here, it's already getting to be 10 centimeters. So that's one way to tell. You know, you want 6 to 8 centimeters. If it gets to 15, it is already getting too tall for transplant. So these are about ready for transplanting. That is one way to tell. The second way to tell is how long since germination. So 3 to 4 weeks is ideal. Like I shared earlier, these have been 3 weeks post germination. So 3 to 4 weeks after germination is another way to tell if your Njama Njama is ready for transplanting. And then the last way to tell is to look at how many leaves, how many true leaves we have on the Njama Njama. Okay, so this is my Njama Njama here. This one right here, the leaves that we have right here, that, you know, just by looking at the leaves you cannot tell if you're looking at Njama Njama or not. These are the seed leaves, they are not true leaves. So we are counting the number of true leaves. That is the leaf that actually photosynthesizes. This one, that one, that one, that one. You want at least, you know, 4 to 5 true leaves on the Njama Njama. That's when it is ready for transplanting, because we want the Njama Njama to be able to carry out photosynthesis. So that is the third way to tell.